Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be creating 2 spring makeup looks, one easy, one extra. This one is a very easy, soft, pretty glam. I've really been loving just like one bold or bright colored shadow on the lids, and that's it. So that's what I did today. This is the easy one. You will see the extra one at the end. I thought it would be fun to give you soft, pretty, simple glam and then extra colorful, bold, fierce glam. So I hope you guys whoa, that came out so aggressive. So comment down below, what makeup look are you, girl? Okay, are you simple, soft, pretty glam, or are you extra in your face? Don't mess with me, I'm the queen. I come serving looks, I come bringing heat. Let me know which look you are. Extra is me, like extra is in my blood. Extra is so much fun, like oh my gosh, I just live for extra activities. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing how I create an easy and extra spring makeup look, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Starting off with the easy spring makeup look, I went ahead and primed my lids with the Kat Von D White Out Lock-It Concealer and the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Natural this time so our yellows can pop. And that's just a Morphe G34 brush. I'm going to go ahead and take the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder with this Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just going to dab the powder into my upper brow bone area just so when I blend the shadow up it blends seamlessly. First I'm going to go ahead and go into the BH Studio Pro Neutrals palette and take those 2 shades with the Sigma E30 brush, and that is going to be our brow bone highlight. I swear Beach Cosmetics shimmers are so buttery, you guys, so smooth. I would highly recommend girl copping this palette, girl. Okay, next I'm just going to take that same Peach Perfect powder with that Fenty Beauty sponge just to catch some fallout. I'm going into the Morphe 35B palette and taking that yellow shade with the same Morphe E17 brush, and all I'm doing, girl, is packing on that yellow so we can get the most vibrant and opaque yellow outcome that we can get. And actually, when you do not set your lids at all, the yellow just packs on so vibrant, so beautiful. So it's actually an easy process. This isn't the best yellow, but it worked. Okay, so just don't set your lid base at all. Just set your upper brow bone so when you go ahead and blend up, it just blends well. Next, I'm just taking that Morphe M176 brush just to dust off the fallout, and I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes in their palettes, and I'm just packing on that yellow onto my lower lash line. And next I'm going to go into the shimmer yellow shade, which is right above the matte yellow, and I'm taking that same Sigma E30 brush and highlighting my inner corner. For lashes, I'm taking these Dodo lashes in the shade, in the style D105. You can use code ahliyahmichelle to take off some quaint, and I'm just going to go ahead and push those lashes up so they're nice and curly, and these lashes are beautiful, girl. I'm going to take the Morphe 9B palette, taking that blush shade right there with this Morphe stippling brush, and we're just going to add a flush of color to our cheeks. And for highlight, I'm using all 3, girl. The Amrezy Highlight, ColourPop Churro, and the Maybelline Master Chrome with this Moda Highlight and Glow Brush. And oh my gosh, do you see how wet and glowy that looks? I love this combo, y'all. This is my new favorite highlighter combo, girl. And I'm just applying that to the high points of my face, my cheekbones. Y'all know the drill. The tip of my nose, the upper bridge of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow, because we cannot forget about her. And that is a Real Techniques base shadow brush. Y'all see me use it. Next, to settle in all the powders, I'm taking this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just setting my makeup with it. And for lips, I'm taking these 2 Buxom Vava Plump lip colors. Hold on, what shades are these? These are Get Lucky and Give Me a Hint. I'm just going to put it in the center of my lips and then just dab it in because I just wanted that just bitten kind of look. And then I'm just going to take this Smashbox Pout lip gloss and blend those colors together and give my lips a glossy finish. And this completes my easy spring makeup tutorial. This look is so beautiful, so glowy, so radiant, and I love it so much. Moving on to the very extra spring makeup look, I'm going to go into the same BH Cosmetics Neutrals palette, taking that shade right there, and that is going to be our brow bone highlight. I already primed my lids with the same two concealers you previously saw me use. And I'm going to go into that same Morphe 35B palette. We're going to take this pink shade with a Morphe M518 brush, and we're going to pack that into our crease because that is going to be the color that peeks out behind the purple. This look is kind of like a galaxy look. It wasn't really planned. You know, I didn't know what to do for the extra look. I had so many ideas, but I think I'm going to still continue to come out with more spring looks because girl, I just got so many ideas. But anyways, I'm just packing that into the crease and blending her out. And next we're going to go into these two purple shades. One's a purple, one's like an indigo purple. And I'm taking this Morphe R41 brush and packing that directly into the crease. We're going to define the crease, and this kind of gives like a cotton candy vibe. So we want the pink to slightly pop out, but we want the purple to be bold and, you know, defined. Okay, next I'm taking that same Kat Von D Whiteout Lock-It Concealer. This is like a very precise Morphe lip brush, and I'm only going to cut out like the inner corner of my lid. So I'm not cutting it all the way. I'm just like cutting it in, you know, the inner corner. And then now I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Artistry palette. I'm going to take this like periwinkle blue. This blue is so beautiful and it's so buttery. BH Cosmetics can really come all the way through. Okay, I'm just going to pack that into where I cut out the crease, just so we can have a very highlighted and bright inner lid. I think Nikki Tutorials has been doing this, and her looks, girl, she is serving honey. Okay, next I'm going to go into this eyeshadow little thing that I actually made myself. This is a Makeup Geek shadow. It's called Center Stage. It's a foiled shadow. And I'm just going to pop that onto the outer, or like the you know where I'm popping it in, just so we can blend it out and complete the eye. So we're going to blend it into the periwinkle blue and then blend it into the outer corner so we can kind of complete the eye. And it created a beautiful, oh my gosh girl, I'm over here stuttering. It created a beautiful like galaxy denim effect, and I really liked it. It was really beautiful. And I'm just taking that Morphe M433, I believe, just to finish out the blend, and I'm just cleaning up the edge of the shadow. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera, back on camera with the face beat. I'm taking that Luxie Beauty 231 brush just to soften up the edge of the eyeshadow because I cannot stand a line on the shadow, girl. I cannot stand it. It doesn't look good to me. Okay, I'm just going to blend that out real quick, and then we're going to pop some pink into the lower lash line. That's a Morphe shadow brush. And then we're going to curve the purple with the Morphe R41 brush. Curve it to curve, you know, the eyeshadow, the end of the eyeshadow. And we're also going to blend it into the lower lash line. And I'm going back in with that Luxie Beauty brush just to soften the edges. And I'm going to take this white shade in the Artistry palette. It sort of had a pink shift in it, so it was perfect for this look. And I'm just going to pop that into the inner corner, girl. For lashes, I'm going to take these by Adorned by Shade. They're in the style Cocoa. And for gloss, I just applied the Fenty Beauty Gal on the Moon gloss. And this completes the very extra spring makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-in-1 tutorial. Before I close out this video, I do want to ensure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Tap that bell, click on options, and make sure all notifications are checked, including my creator posts. Click OK, girl. I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Sailor Pleiades, girl. I probably did not pronounce that right, but I just want to thank you for having my post notifications on. You always show me love. You're always so positive and uplifting in my comments, girl. I just appreciate you and love you. If you would like an appreciation shout out one of my videos, be sure to hashtag notification squad or notification gang. After your comment, do those steps that I just told you to do previously. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.